Hello kids! So we're going to continue multiplication of polynomials. We have another example. So this is number 3. Tapos na tayo sa number 1. So number 3 given is 3 plus b plus c. So may quantity 3 plus b plus c is squared. So in this example, so this whole quantity will be multiplied by its self. Ibig sabihin, another quantity, dalawa yan. Kaya siya may 2. Pag dalawa, ibig sabihin, dalawa rin ang quantity. So, 3 plus b plus c times the quantity 3 plus b plus c. Ganyan po yan. So, we're going to distribute distributive property. So, iisa-isahin natin yan lahat dun sa tatlo. So, 3 times 3, positive. 3 times 3 equals 9. Next, 3 times b is positive 3b. Next, 3 times c is positive 3c. Magiging mahaba ang ating sagot. Another. Tapos na tayo sa 3. So, sa b naman tayo. Distribute naman natin yung b. b times 3 is positive 3b. Next, b times b. Copy the variable. Positive. And then, 1 plus 1. Kasi pag nag-times tayo ng same variable, we're going to add their exponent. Again, automatic. Meron na yung invisible na 1 sa taas na exponent. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. Kaya siya naging positive b squared. Gets? Next, b times c is positive bc. So, last one, c na lang din natin na multiply. So, c times 3, positive 3c. c times b is positive cb. So, doon na tayo sa baba magdudugsong. Di kasya. c times c is positive c squared. Again, may invisible naman. So, pag nag-multiply tayo ng same variable, we're going to put squared. So, combine like terms. Ilan ba ang number dito? Only 1. So, 9. Yung only number na walang kasamang variable. Next, ilan ang 3b? So, 3b. 1, 2. Wala na. So, 3b plus 3b is 3 plus 3. Positive 6. And then, copy the variable. Ganyan po pag nagpa-plus tayo ng variables. Next, c naman tayo. 3c. 3c. Wala na po. So, 3 plus 3 is positive 6c. Copy the variable. And then, tapos na tayo sa b. b squared. Meron pa bang ibang b squared? Wala na. Positive b squared. And, bc. cb. So, ito na rin po yun. Kahit magbalik ka dito ng pesto, yun na rin yun. So, bc, ito po ay iisipin ninyong bc. Mali lang sulat ko dapat unang b sa c. Pero yun din yun. So, bc plus bc is magiging dalawa. May invisible naman sa unahan. So, positive 2 bc. Copy the variable. And then, c squared plus c squared. Paano naman po mag-arrange ng ganitong sagot? Again, unahin natin yung exponent and then yung sa alphabet. So, parehong b at c ay merong exponent na 2. Yung pinakamataas. Then, uunahin natin syempre yung b. So, b squared, sunod, plus c squared, sunod, plus, syempre, sunod na ulit yung b, 6b, plus, so, una naman yung may bc kaysa sa c, 2bc, plus, 6c plus 9. So, this will be our final answer. b squared plus c squared plus 6b plus 2b c plus 6c plus 9. Laging nahuhuli yung number lang na walang variable. Okay? Nakuha po.